So this is my puppy Chewy. She doesn't really like it when she's picked up, so that's why she's shaking. She's half Yorkie and half Pomeranian, because her mom and dad were, her mom was one and her dad was the other. So she's part both, and she's 3 years old, and I'm probably not going to be doing this with I don't really know all my pets' birthdays and how old all my pets are, but the animals that I know the name of the pets, I'll name them. And she is good. She's very friendly. When we have visitors come, or especially just me come in, she'll bark and it gets annoying, but she'll just bark. She won't bite. She loves to play, but she can only play for about 30 minutes and then goes and gets in her little bed. So that's about all I'm gonna do for this video. Make sure to go down there, click that subscribe button, give this video a like, click that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace, and don't forget to love on those animals.